clip. Replay. I'll tell you what is a replay and roll the clip means as well. So the adventure we had, we went to there was a park and water, so park, water place. So like there was, it's ocean. Even it was raining today. So it's the 6th of May. It's the 6th. Even it's the 23rd. So we went there. Then for a little bit. Then we left because it rained. Then we came back. We used the blue boat, a small one, and the red one. The red one was faster, and the blue one was slower. Even we almost did it all the way for Susan. Blue. Any questions? You can ask that question online. You can text us. What I did, how I learned how to text. You can text people on YouTube. I learned. I'll show you later. That's how we do it. We text on YouTube. That's why I'll show you my stuffy Ruby. That's in the background. Even about that, we came back then. We know how to walk, but now we're going to talk about King Charles. Today is his coronation. Even it was at 5 o'clock in the morning. If you missed it, it's okay. Because you can watch it again, but on YouTube. But it is live. But now the queen is not as nice as the old queen. Because the old queen died of a car wreck. Some people want her autograph, her picture, because she was so famous, a photographer. Like even there was 5, actually 4 people. It was the boyfriend who the versus King Charles, and he used to be Prince Charles. Then there used to be Queen Elizabeth and King Philip. Even about this, the photographer right now named is Bobo. Even upstairs is Baba and upstairs is Trouble. I'll teach her to sing la la. I will sing some church music, guys. La la la. La la. What did I for me? La 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 la. Dance?
Finish.
Finish?
Yeah, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching this video.